I remain your host and only Toby Thompson. On today's show, I'm bringing comments from the last show. It was very, very exciting comment that I got from the last show. So today, on the news of the proposed return of the league, yeah, I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited too. But we'll see how that turns out. So on today's show, as usual, it's divided into three parts: the comment section, the argument section, and the rumor section. But today will be the rumor and the news section because we have some things to talk about that are flowing around in the news. So on today, thank you guys for viewing my video, like my video. But so far, I need more people to like and view this video and subscribe. There's a little button down there. Just subscribe, hit it. Thank you very much. We'll get right into the show. Always call the comment section. So I'm reading some comments out from you guys. So I have a comment from Steven. It was very, very, very short, which was from our last argument, which was between Mourinho and Guardiola. Who is the best coach? He just says straight, Guardiola is the best coach. That's the short answer. Well, another guy from that is Shane, who says that to him, Guardiola is a good coach. Yeah, but it depends more on the funds that the club has available. While Mourinho is a good coach, it doesn't really depend on the funds. He always causes nuisance on the media. That's why people don't really like him. But to him, he still feels Guardiola is the best coach. Then the last person, Moyo, says Guardiola to him is the best coach. Yeah, he really has not achieved what he has achieved while he was at Barca, but to him, he still remains the best coach. So I still like more comments from you guys. Thank you very much. We'll get right next to the part of this show. We'll go, which is the argument session. See you guys soon. Part of this show. As usual, I have guests in the house. So today, we're going to argue now Messi or Ronaldo. Who is the better player out there? That has been a forever argument in our generation, from maybe before our generation. So we're going to get right into it. So as usual, I have Timothy Toby on my right hand, and I have Simi on my left hand. So Simi is going to be arguing for Messi as he's a die-hard Messi fan, right? So Timothy is going to be arguing for Ronaldo as well. He has loved Ronaldo for his life. So we'll get right into it. So now, Timothy, I throw it to you. Now start. Why do you think Ronaldo is a better player than Messi?
I will not. There's no way I'll rate Messi until Messi leaves Barca, honestly.
Why are you saying that Messi should leave Barca? What?
Yeah,
Are
how
you
someone
smoking?
wait.
Okay.
You want to compare someone that has left to like three
You know-
like this is like his third club now, obviously.
No.
No.
He has left Sporting.
Obviously now I meant like since he blew, like this is like his third club now.
Okay, do you know why Messi is in Barca?
Why?
That's
We
the first
obviously
question
know what
It's
happened.
called
Like,
loyalty.
doesn't
This
mean-
guy is something that you
doesn't
don't
mean-
have. That's why you are talking like
I don't blame you. It doesn't mean. See, basically Ronaldo has left from Man U when he began to shine, obviously not where he started from. He began to shine Man U, they got to Ballon d'Or to Real Madrid. Wait, what has he done in Madrid so far?
So,
I mean, what has he won? Now he has gone to Juventus and he has still given he's still getting awards there. Come
Awards.
on.
Awards.
Wait, yes or no?
It's not about
Did he win
It's not
highest goal
about
scorer
where you
last season?
oh, in Syria.
Yeah.
And that was in Syria. What happened to
What happened to
who won
what?
it? Who won it?
It doesn't matter.
But
He's
what
going
are
to
you
a new
saying?
club. Obviously, it's going to things are going to change.
Okay, this is second or third year in second year in Syria.
Exactly. What? What?
Messi's debut year. So what am I saying? 2 years in Barca. Do you know the achievement Messi had as he was young, bro? So what the fuck are you saying?
Okay.
What are you saying?
Ronaldo,
In his first 3 years, he won this Ballon d'Or. Shey, how old was he? Who were his competitors that time? Ronaldo, Kaká. Should I continue? This guy, you don't know what you are saying.
so when Ronaldo first won, Messi was not there.
Of course,
When Ronaldo won consecutive, Messi was not there.
Messi was there, but Messi had not come into limelight. Messi is fucking young. How old was Messi?
There's just one difference between one year difference between them.
What are you saying? 1 year difference, kid.
When Ronaldo was in the consecutive, when Ronaldo was in Barca, Ronaldo was in Real Madrid, Messi was in Barca.
Eh?
Yes.
The first time, you see, you are never getting
Consecutively, not the
No,
first
he said
time.
consecutively. He was Real Madrid consecutively.
Consecutively, Ronaldo was in Real Madrid, Messi was in Barca. Messi was like what, 20 something that time. So not about Messi was young. Both of them were obviously
If
in
you are
their
looking at
20s.
consecutively, who has had the most? Okay, Ronaldo has had
Thank
very
you.
good success. But again, if you forget, okay, let's forget this now. I used to enjoy Ronaldo play in Man U. He was very creative. Watching him play was very exciting. Then he left Man U for Madrid. First year was second year. I would say he started maturing and started playing for his team for him to score. I mean, yeah. But you see the difference between Messi and Ronaldo. Messi will always perform for you. He will give you a wonderful show. You will enjoy yourself. You like what if you're a Ronaldo fan, if you're watching Messi, you will enjoy yourself.
I have to step in here. Messi does not always perform in levels every game. There was a game where Neymar had to beat him out. That is the reason why
normal.
Neymar
See, nobody is perfect. Eh?
But you know, the Gosmino always said, and he always say every time, give Ronaldo, give him Ronaldo, he will win a war. Give him Messi, he will just win a battle.
See, wait.
Yeah, see,
aside
forget what
display. The reason why I don't like Messi is if you put Messi in a team, Messi is good. I'm not saying Messi is not good. Obviously, I told him are the best so far since 2005 or something. Nigeria are the best since. But Messi, if you put Messi in a team, it's almost like I don't know. I don't like Messi.
You try to say Messi does not score.
No, I'm not saying Messi does not score. Messi scores.
What will happen?
If you put Messi in a team, every other player in that team, like their ratings diminish.
No, actually.
Their rating. If Messi doesn't perform in that game, nobody else performs. If you put Ronaldo in a team, Ronaldo encourages everybody to the best they can do.
Are you trying to say Messi does not encourage?
Ronaldo makes everybody better.
What the fuck are you saying?
See, I'm telling you, Ronaldo are gem. Messi. Oh yeah, let's look at Barca Liverpool. First leg, obviously. Barca won. Messi show. Second leg, Messi did not share. Wetin happen?
See,
Abeg you.
see, let me tell you something. I look at that match as if you watch that match very well. I rewatched that match. I think that was early this month. Yeah, Barca was, I won't lie, they were shitty, but they had some chances.
They were shitty because Messi.
And one other thing is, yeah, you are playing against Klopp is a very good coach. I will boil some of Barcelona's failures to their coach. Their coach can be fucking stupid at times. And if you look at this thing is not a Messi factor. You don't tell me because Messi did not shine. Look at the 2 years before that Barca Liverpool. They did the same thing with one club. I can't remember.
Roma.
They will exactly.
They won first
They
leg.
will win first leg in Camp Nou, second leg in their home. Play rubbish. Look at the next what team was it? The next team, I can't remember. Same thing. God save them that when they played was it PSG that time?
Yeah,
They lost like
4-0
idiots.
first leg, but second leg he came and got
Look
some
at
Neymar. I always point out that
it's not Neymar.
that is why Neymar left, because Neymar felt that he was not getting recognition he was meant to get. That is why.
Yeah, that's what you are doing now.
Neymar could have taken back at
I said it's not Neymar. It was Neymar.
See, Neymar
Messi was there obviously. Yes, nobody's arguing. Messi was not there. But it was because of Neymar that PSG
and that is why Messi still wants Neymar back, because he feels Neymar was always going to help him. There's a time when Messi was going to slack. He felt Neymar was going to pick up the slack for him and Neymar was going to shine.
See, normal. I know that both of you know like.
No, I like two of them. I'm just trying to counteract two of you.
But the truth about it is that Messi still remains undoubtedly the best player to ever walk the planet. Like if you look at let's look at stats now. Sometimes the club does not help. Most times the coach does not even help the situation of Barca. I feel they need a change of coach.
But you go have been changing coach. This is the same thing you go have been saying. You changed from what's the name? I forgot the first coach I changed from that you won the treble with that year when Neymar second season. I think second or first season Neymar came. I think it should be second season. Eh? Not Guardiola. I said Neymar when Neymar came. I forgot his name. No, it was not Guardiola. I forgot his name. No. I can't remember. Then he now moved to Valverde. Already now won the league too.
Yeah, I remember.
But I don't think he won the Champions League.
It was the year after Pep before Valverde.
No, not Tito. Tito did not win. Tito just won the league. He didn't win Champions League. It was a season where they won the treble. I forgot the coach that won it. It just was the tip of my tongue. I can't remember. They won the league there. They changed after, I think, the beginning of the next season. They were fight and this thing. They had to sack him. They hired Valverde. Valverde came. They won the league, but now win the Champions League. They had to decide Valverde was always slacking that. He's always taking snaps during the match and he's always sitting down too much. They had to sack him. Now who is in the Premier coach that they hired now? I forgot his name. I try know he came from the farm to come and coach. So what is your closing statement for it?
I would feel even though everybody says that yes, Messi goes to Champions League. Champions is almost like a one or 2 days battle.
Yeah.
If you want to know if you're a good player, play against a game in the same league with strong opponents like over and over again. I won't say people in Spanish league are not strong, but I won't rate Spanish defenders. Spanish league defenders. I won't
You
rate
won't
them
rate them.
at all. If you are comparing Spanish league defenders to England or Italy, no.
I think you should leave England out. Just say
No.
Italy.
You don't know.
See, England. I'm not saying England defenders are good. I'm saying
England
England
defenders
worse.
are overhyped and
Because they're overhyped. That's why they make mistakes on you. And if they are marking you, you will get injured.
There is not just about injury. Look at
England defenders are overhyped. Doesn't mean that when they are marking you, they will get your ball. They will get your leg. They will get your leg.
Okay. So yeah, positive.
see, you guys should remove the mentality you have that because Messi has always been in Barca, you can't now rate him or compare him to Ronaldo. If I say what's in my mind, you guys would just most people will kill me to
Say it.
You don't let me say it. But this is what I'm going to close with. Messi still remains the best player in the world. His trophy statistics prove it.
Apart from World Cup. Nothing is. International just say, well, I don't never see World Cup international.
International.
That just say
Wait, you mean senior team like
for yes, obviously. We talk about junior team. Now junior team Nigeria no carry the international trophy time.
Nigeria.
Under 20 now our bet right sometimes.
Like see, you have to give this guy credit. This guy, you know, see, I don't understand why the teams Messi playing, like sometimes they give him issues. Look at Argentina. Look at last World Cup.
Argentina has players.
Argentina, yes, they have players, but if you look at it, they were flopped.
Because of their coach.
But they were
I
flopped.
think the major issue I have with Messi, I like Messi, but I think the major issue that I have that why Messi is not shining with this. People are not playing for themselves. People come and okay, they get the ball. They were stars from their former club. They wanted to come and do the same thing you are doing there in your former club. But when they come to Barca or when they enter the Argentina team, they just look at, oh, this is Messi, the best player. So anytime they get the ball, they feel like they just give it to Messi, Messi should do everything. But that's not what Messi wants sometimes. Messi wants you to even. I remember the game, I think that Champions League game where Liverpool, the first leg, where they could have won like 5-0 in the first leg.
Yeah, Dembele and
Vidal.
like
Messi was so angry. He was angry because Vidal was waiting to give Messi the ball back. But Messi was like, I've given you the ball, score. Make it fall. Let us know that okay, this thing is done and once and for all. But he kept on looking for a Messi back. Dembele even tried to shoot, but the shot was just straight to Alexis' hand. I was as even me, I could even catch that ball. Even me, I'm not a keeper. So that's why to me, I feel Messi still needs Neymar because Neymar was a player that Neymar did not care. He would do his own. But by the time he has done his own finish, he will now give Messi the ball. Yeah, I've done what I can do. Yeah, I've opened the net for you, and now just score. But other people, they will give Messi can be marked by 3 players. They will still give Messi that ball. And Messi will want you are free. See another person that is free there. Give him the ball too, but you still want to give him the ball. So Messi will now have to now shine. So to me, I feel this killing Messi in a way. So thank you guys. That's all we have for today. We'll see you back in the other edition of the argument session next week. So we'll get back to the last part of this show, which is the news and rumor section. Thank you very much. Thank you to my guests for today. Lovely argument. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys will enjoy it too. Which is the news and rumor section. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed what you have for you guys so far. Now, this news part is going to be very exciting because when we talk about the EPL took over by Newcastle, it's going to be a very, very mild stuff if the Saudi Arabia should acquire Newcastle. Because the amount of money that they are going to have is going to be 260 billion. They are going to be one of the richest clubs in, I think, even in the whole teams in the world. And that the people always say that they will acquire everybody. They acquire Cruz, they acquire Sancho, acquire Pogba, Neymar, Messi. they will acquire Bruno. They will wreck everybody's team and just take every of their star players and just add it to their team. So it's going to be very mad. But there are some things that are hanging over there. They are saying there's human rights violation that is hanging over the Saudi Arabia. And they're also saying the illegal broadcast of the EPL while they were back there in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, so I'd like to hear you guys comment. Do you think that that deal will go through, and what do you think it will? What does that mean spell for the EPL? Does that mean that we'll see the top 6 going to the top 7 when Newcastle can challenge for the title? Now, the other news I have for it, the Netherlands have closed their league, saying that yeah, the season can never get back on due to the coronavirus. But so far, other leagues are saying that they may resume. Right now, the Bundesliga are already fast forward among everybody to resume. They are proposing May 5 for everybody for the league to resume. They are saying that teams can be allowed to change, but they will give them strict guidelines to adhere to so that the league can resume. Well, I'm excited if that should happen. It's very exciting because we have our weekends back. When we football lovers out there, we have our weekend back, and we have so many things to talk about after each weekend. So now the EPL, the Italian league, the French league, and other leagues out there, the UEFA board have given them May 25th to sort out whether they can resume the league or not. By 25th, if they cannot sort it out, then that means the league will be called void. Ah, well, that was no, that was spoiler for Liverpool. That will be the end of the season, and they may not give Liverpool the season. They may give Liverpool the title, but that will be very harsh on Liverpool. They've done a very very fantastic season. So now we go to the rumor section. That rumor section is very very exciting. We're having news that Koulibaly to Man may be a very good deal. That Napoli are already looking at alternatives of Umtiti from Barca. Now, Sancho to Man, well, why always the news has always been around that Sancho to Man, but now they are saying that due to coronavirus that Man may not actually have the money to buy Sancho. Ah, that's shocking. Man not have the money. Well, this is what coronavirus has caused. Now, Chelsea last week I said Chelsea will sign Aubameyang. Well, I'm not really sure about that again. But Chelsea are also looking at other people. I'm hearing that they are going for Declan Rice. Let's see how that will pan out. I feel Declan Rice is not really that much of a player, but yeah, Osimhen is linked to Chelsea. Well, I like to see that deal go through. I want Osimhen because that Osimhen is very very good, promising striker. I feel he has been busting net in the league, and I feel he will do the same in APL. Now, Real Madrid are showing the door to Bale, Modric, and Marcelo. They feel that they already passed their prime, and they want to usher in new players that will take them to win more titles than the Champions League. So, Barca are looking to finance deal for Neymar transfer by selling Dembele and Coutinho. But we'll see how that pans out. I hope it works out for it. Now, Barca are also looking to buy Timo Werner because they feel that Martinez transfer fee is on the high, but Timo Werner's transfer fee is low. So they feel that will be a better deal, and Timo Werner actually is a good and very very promising player. But Liverpool have been linked to him. We'll see how that pans out, whether Liverpool or Barca will get him. So thank you guys for another edition of the show. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, view, and subscribe to the show. And please don't forget to always share to other people out there. Subscribe button is down there below. Thank you very much. See you guys.